Elon Musk is a prominent entrepreneur, inventor, and business magnate, known for his work with Tesla, SpaceX, Neuralink, and The Boring Company. He was born in South Africa on June 28, 1971, and has since become a U.S. citizen. Musk has been married 3 times and has a total of 7 children from those marriages. Justine Wilson, M. 2000 to 2008, Musk's first wife was Canadian author Justine Wilson, whom he met while studying at Queen's University in Ontario. The couple married in 2000 and had 6 children together, all boys: Nevada, Griffin, Kai, Xavier, Saxon, and Damien. Unfortunately, Nevada passed away at the age of 10 weeks due to sudden infant death syndrome, SIDS. Musk and Wilson divorced in 2008. Tallulah Riley, M. 2010 to 2012, 2013 to 2016. Musk's second wife was English actress Tallulah Riley, whom he married twice. The couple first married in 2010 and divorced in 2012, only to remarry in 2013 and divorce again in 2016. Grimes, Claire Boucher, partner since 2018. Musk's current partner is Canadian musician and artist Grimes, whose real name is Claire Boucher. The couple began dating in 2018 and welcomed their first child, a boy named XAA12, in May 2020. In October 2021, they announced that they had split up but will continue to co-parent their son. Overall, Elon Musk has a large and diverse family, with 7 children and 2 former wives. His children range in age from their 20s to their youngest, XAA12, who was born in 2020. Despite the challenges and controversies that have arisen over the years, Musk remains a prolific inventor and businessman who continues to push the boundaries of science and technology.